Yeah, this is the first game I made in godot. You can visit this site ni6hnt.com, click on developer and click on run game online only on PC. This is like the 0.1 version of the game, so it's not the best experience, but yeah. Space to jump, right left to go here and there. I would like to play it on my own, the way I wanted it to run actually. A lot of things are to be are required here. Yeah. I'm not doing it on purpose. I recorded a video just before this, but it had very little. My voice was not clear in that, so I'm re-recording. I did that in one go. There are total 13 coins, and you have to collect all if you want the text at the top to change. Okay. Ooh. Dead. At least we did that. At least we did. I can't do it again. Anyways, well, that's it.